Hey yo, what's poppin', guys? It's your man Ricky David, and I'm back at it again. You guys already know. So in today's video, man, we are about to jump into some more tags. This one is called hem tags. So these will be going on like sleeves like this right here, and then also at the very bottom of the hoodies, shirts, sweatshirts, whatever the case is, right? So we're gonna go ahead and test those out, try those things out as well. Been watching a lot of tutorials, stuff like that. So before we jump into this video, guys, I need you guys to do a few things, which is like this video, share this video, comment for any tips and tricks, and you guys already know, hit that subscribe button. You guys already know. So until then, let's get it, you guys. Let's get it. So you guys seen just a little testing out of how to do the hem tags, which is a simple process, very simple, very easy. It just takes a little efficiency, a little time and effort to get that down and packed and actually really going. You guys actually can, you know, test out like lines and stuff like that, just like little patterns, stuff like this. You see like zigzags and straight lines and stuff like that. Those can actually really help you guys to get straighter lines when it comes to, you know, hem tags, neck labels, stuff like that, right? So it does take time, it does take efficiency out your time, out your day, just to get it down and packed. So once you're doing screen printing, DTF, DTG, sublimation, embroidery, whatever the case is, you guys, it brings out your brand. It makes it super unique. It makes it super official once you have these hem tags, neck labels, and stuff like that. So it goes a long way, right? You actually can see the existence of your brand when it comes to putting these tags on any type of product, even crossover bags, even hats and stuff like that. Man, it makes it super official. So this is why I'm doing videos like this right now. I'm testing out little simple things, simple, right? So Hope you guys like this video, man. Any tips and tricks, man, comment below. You know I comment back and stuff like that. So share this video, man, for everybody that's jumping in DTG, DTF, embroidery, sublimation, screen printing, whatever the case is. You guys show some interest and share that video as well. And you guys already know, hit that subscribe button. You guys already know. So I will see you in the next video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will still keep on practicing as I continuously drop in more videos like this and screen printing, embroidery, stuff like that. So it doesn't take 5 days, 10 days, you know, a year just to build a brand. It's just consistency, efficiency, and just dedication, motivation, inspiration. It goes all around the board, you guys. So it takes all that time and effort to build not just a brand, build a legacy, you guys. I will see you in the next video, guys. It's your man, Ricky David, House of Dreamers. Let's get it!
House of Dreamers.